The answers to unanswerable questions. If you were asked to calculate how much the Earth weighs, how would you do it? Where do you even start with such a question? Working out the weight of something normal, like a football, is easy, since you just need to find out its mass, measure the gravitational force of the Earth on it, and voila. But since weight depends on the strength of a planet's gravitational field on which the object is situated, and Earth is floating freely in orbit around the Sun, this method now doesn't make sense. Instead, we've measured the strength of Earth's gravitational pull on other objects to work its weight out. And in doing so, we've determined our planet to weigh 6 septillion kilograms, with our sky also weighing about 5 quintillion kilograms. Here's another tricky question. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? Easy, the egg. The reason we can be so certain is that the question is flawed because it ignores how evolution works. The chicken egg obviously came before the chicken, but eggs themselves have been around for hundreds of millions of years, with the oldest dinosaur egg fossils going back 190 million years. These dinosaurs evolved into birds, with the oldest bird eggs coming at about 150 million years ago. This means that birds, in general, developed after eggs did. Due to the incremental nature of evolution, we can therefore surmise that at some point in history, two creatures that were kinda like chickens but not actually chickens got together and made sweet, nasty love. The lady creature gave birth to an egg, and from that egg hatched the first proper chicken. Oh, and since we just mentioned dinosaurs, let's see what evolutionary scientists think would have happened if Earth's former tenants hadn't been wiped out by an asteroid. For 160 million years, dinosaurs had a pretty good run on this planet. But then they started to die off, and the Chicxulub asteroid, which struck the Earth 65 million years ago, was the final nail in their reptilian coffin. However, shortly before this event, a species known as Troantidae was beginning to emerge. The Troantidae had a brain size that was relatively large compared to its rivals, and this species may have gone on to be a dominant, intelligent species had the dinosaurs not been made extinct. If not, then another, larger brain descendant probably would have done so in Troantidae's place, meaning that primates would never have had the chance to develop, and mankind would never have come to exist.